So basically in Forex, what actually happens is that in Forex trading, what we do is that we are buying an item. In this case, we are buying a currency with the anticipation that that currency is going to appreciate in value. So how it has always been is that a person who wants to buy a certain currency with the anticipation that it's going to appreciate in value. What happens back in those days before technology came into play was that the person who wants to buy a currency, we have to call what we call a broker. Now in the Forex industry, just the way you have your bank account, in the Forex industry, your bank account in quotes is actually with a broker. Now we call our bank brokers in this industry. So your bank account is opened with your broker and you have some money in your account. What you now have to do is that you now have to place a call across to your broker, telling the broker that you want to buy a certain currency at a certain quantity. Now back in those days, because of the traffic of calls, it was always difficult for people to execute their trades, because by the time you call your broker is on another call, or your account manager is on another call, and then he now moves your order from desk to desk and everything. It takes a long time, and then day trading was almost very impossible. So if you have watched the movie Wolf of Wall Street, you will see the office where a lot of them were receiving calls and everything, trying to place people's order, take people's requests. That was how it was working. So you want to buy an item because you think it's going to appreciate in value, and then you want to sell it off back. You call your broker and then you tell your broker, I want to buy so thing, let's say USD for instance. I want to buy the US dollar at so quantity, $100, and when it appreciates and I have some profit on it, I want to sell it off. Now as time went on, technology came into play. It now made it more convenient for traders to be able to trade. Now what happens is, just the same way you actually have your account with your broker, you still do the same. But instead of you now getting to call your broker, all you simply need to do is that you download an app. Now it depends on the broker, the app they want to use. One of the apps, or a couple of apps, are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. You have the Trading View. You also have the C Trader, and there are a couple of other apps, platforms that your broker could actually decide to use. The most popular is the MetaTrader 4, which is also known as MT4. Now all you need to do now is that your broker has a particular app they have chosen, or a series of them. All you need to do is to choose the one most convenient for you. You download it from your app store or your Play Store if you're using an Android, and then you search for MetaTrader 4, you see the app, you download it. Once you download it, because you are registered with your broker, what you need to do is the account number that you have with your broker. After searching for your broker's name, you enter the account number and the password that will be given to you by your broker. Once you enter this, you will have direct access into your account. Now there's a part of that app where you can see your account balance. There's also another part of the app where you can now see every currency you intend to trade. These apps are also available on MacBook and also on Windows. So any of them that you decide to use, they are available on those platforms. So what you now need to do is that you now actually find the certain currency you want to buy or you want to sell, and then you place your order. That is what technology had brought into Forex trading, and that is basically how Forex trading works. But let's talk about how to set up your trading account. Now, there are a lot of brokers globally. All you need to do is that you have to find the broker that is recommended by someone who is already trading, or you can just go out and search on the best brokers available. You choose from any of them, but there are certain criteria you have to look out for. You can check my other video where I talked about the brokers, and then you can actually find out what to look out for when choosing a broker. Now, when you find a broker you have decided to use, what you need to do is you simply go to their website. You go to their website and then you click sign up. When you want to sign up, you're simply going to be entering your biodata, which is your name, your date of birth, your countries, and every other information that you will see there. Of course, you'll be entering your email address. When you sign up, you're going to verify your account by actually submitting a valid ID card and also a proof of residence. A proof of residence, you could actually be using a bank statement or you're using a utility bill, depending on which one that's available to you. Now, the ID card has to be a government issued ID card, your driver's license, your national ID card, or whatever one that's available to you also. Now, once you have done this, your account is now verified. All you need to do now is to simply fund your account with any amount that you choose. Every broker has the minimum amount that they accept to be deposited into the account per time. Some brokers actually have as low as $10, some as $20. Some minimum is actually $100. So, but you can go through the terms and conditions of your broker and find out if the conditions are actually suitable for you. And once you have done this, automatically you now have money in your trading account. Now, there are methods for you to be able to fund your account. You could use your card, you could use bank transfers. It depends on your broker. So there are many options that you could be using. Even Bitcoin funding, you could actually use that. So you could also check that and find out which of them is most convenient for you, and then you can fund your account. Once you have done this, the money is in your account. You will get an email verifying that your deposit has been confirmed. This should take, it depends on the broker, it should take about maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Some brokers is actually instant. You can get it, you can see it reflecting in your account in less than 5 minutes. Now, once this is done, you now have money in your account. The next thing you want to talk about is now how you want to start trading. Now, all you need to do is the same thing like I told you. Your account number now will be sent to your email alongside with a password, which you will use to log in into your trading platform, either your MT4, MT5, CTrader, depending on the platform your broker is actually using. After having done this, all you simply need to do now is to sit down, make your analysis, and decide to buy or sell. The question now is, when do I buy? When do I sell? This is the reason why an education is very important, because this is where it comes in. The question is, how do I buy? How do I sell? When do I buy? When do I sell? So that I will make good profit over a certain period of time. Every trader who intends to actually get to trade, you should actually get a formal training. Find somebody who has been trading, and then you follow the person and make the person certify that yes, you are getting exactly what my strategy is. Then you can say you are a trader, and then you can begin to pick up from there. So if this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe, watch your other videos, and then follow me for more. And then in the next video, I will also be talking about how much you need to start up trading Forex. See you in the next one.